Hello guys, how you doing? This is AB here with you once more again with right or not right angle. We are not going to look at some of the triangles and we are going to determine either it's right angle or not right angle. We are going to look at all the instances, so stay with me. It's not going to take long and you will learn something from here. So here we are looking at the Pythagorean formula, which is c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. In other words, or in words, it said in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals to the sum of the squares of the legs. So if you are in Europe and some part of Africa, they see that they use h as a hypotenuse is equals to a squared plus o squared, which is adjacent square plus opposite square. All of them means the same. So let's go ahead and look at our first example. We have triangle over here. We want to determine whether it's right triangle or not. We are using c squared is equals to a squared plus e squared. We want to determine. So the longer side here is always a c. So here 10 squared is equals to the 2 leg squares 6 squared plus 63 squared. We get 100. 10 times 10 is 100. 6 times 6 is 36. And here this, we get rid of that. We get 63. We get 100. And here we put it together, we get 99. So realize that they are not equal. So since 100 is not equal to 99, this is not right triangle. Okay, so you can pause and see if you can do this one. Here the longer side is 9, so 9 squared is equals to 6 squared plus square root of 45 squared. Okay, here give us 81, 36. Let's remove this, so 45. Get 81, and you add this one and you get 81. So since 81 is equals to 81, it is a right triangle. So you can boldly say here is 90. Let's look at another instant here. So here the longer side. See if you can do this one. Pause it. Most of the time student may get this one wrong sometimes, so make sure you're using that and you're squaring. That's the formula, which is c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. That's what we use over here. Let's get rid of that. Get 36. Let's get rid of that. We get 18. That we get another 18. We put it together, we get 36. So since 36 is equals to 36, it is a right triangle. Okay. It's becoming easy peasy. Okay, pause to see if you can do this one. Same thing. Using c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. This is the longer side. All squared is equals to 17 all squared plus square root of 17 all squared. Let's get this one away, 34. Let's get this away, we get 17. Let's get this away, we get 17. Okay, so since 34 is equals to 34, it is right triangle. 90. Okay, see if you can do this one. Pause. Okay, so formula c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. We got 48. This is the longer side. Squared is equals to 25 squared plus 27 squared. 48 times 48 will give us 2,304. This one will give us 625 plus 729. Add these two together, we get 1,354. Okay, so we can say that since these two numbers are not equal, it is not right triangle. Okay, so this is the last one. See if you can get this one right. Pause and see if you can get it right. C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. 39 squared is equals to 15 squared plus 36 squared. That gives us 1521 here. This gives us 225. This gives us 1,296, and we add it together and we get 1521. So therefore it is a right triangle. 90, come here. Thank you very much for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so anytime we drop a video you will get a notice.